Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative.
Today we have a second installment. You might remember a few weeks ago our video where we worked on our studio update.
Yes, and we gave a teaser at that point about another project that was happening.
Yeah.
At my house.
Where are we? Where are we? We are in my daughter's bedroom.
So today we're going to show you how you finished that room up.
Yeah, it was a lot of work. We knocked it out pretty quickly, actually.
Yeah.
So just recorded some things so you could follow along.
I think it looks amazing.
Yeah.
Fun for a teenager, a little update for her room.
Yeah, she's very happy.
So just sit back and relax and watch us do all the work.
Yeah, enjoy.
And I didn't do any of her really, but you know.
That's okay. You can watch my husband do a lot of the work.
Yeah,
that's what's about to happen, actually.
Yeah.
I mean, that's how it goes, right? Do this. Do it. And he does it.
You can kind of see it.
Gosh, you're so cute. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed crafting with us today. If you feel inspired to create something like this, how about let us know down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more. We'll see you next week.